enjoying in the rain. Doesn't happen very often where there's a giant rainstorm here on the west side, but here it is. Jack likes it. Jack likes it, huh? What do you think, Jack? Is it cool? Oh, very nice. It is coming down. Look at all these other people enjoying it too. Well, that's the Iolani. That's the new Disney resort, the Aulani or something. And then there's the other beach club. Some sunshine, maybe. There's the sun peeking over the clouds. Maybe we'll get a little rainbow after this, who knows. But more importantly, there's Jack enjoying the water. You like that, Jack? Yeah.